So this is done. We have a filter data option. So I hope you understand the filter and sorting both.
Yep.
Fine. So in this filter, we are working on what happened when you filter out the data. Na, that data will be not visible in. It will be deleted from there. It will be not visible to your actual data set. Practically, it goes out from the filtration. For example, I just tell you, I get data. There are some important things in it. From Excel. Filter data. So we have this data, transform it. Although the similar data, but there is some changes which we had done for practice. So now, so this is a data that I have. So in this example, let's suppose I want an information for a printer only, not to the other thing. So what I can click on that, I can click on this and I say I want only for printer and click on OK. So when you load this data final back to the Power BI, you will not be able to get other data. You will only see the filter of the printer data. Are you getting this point, Daniel?
Yeah. So once you filter it, you wouldn't be able to get the
Yes, the data is
data for
available
dairy.
there. Yes, yes, yes. That data will be automatically hidden. And if you want a particular person sales rep data, so when I click on to that, we have a text filter. So that is also with begins with, ends with, contains. So we can do this. I can say begins with M or begins with L, and I click on OK. So, so there is a problem in case sensitivity.
Oh, it has to be because it's capitalized.
Yes. So I repeat this. Text filter begins with L or the sales step is begins with M. So look at
Yeah.
here, L and M is visible. So other will be out there. So now here we have a data. When we click on this, we'll automatically get date filter. In the date filter, we have an before, after, between, fine. But we can say year, quarter, month. So I just take one more data to make you clear about this thing. Not now.
Mm.
I just take one data from Excel. I have very interesting data at desktop data. So I have a sales data of 2011 to 2015. So I transform that data. So I have a good option in date there. So these are the order IDs. So this is a date. So when I click on to the date, I can go to the date filter. I want a data only for 2014. So what I can do, I can click on between. So now I have a two dates. So the one date is, I'm just taking this year wise. I'm going back. This is a year wise back,
Mm-hmm.
14. So this is month wise back. So I say 1 January 2014 to 14, but 31st So
But
what
this,
happened? You will get a data after this or before or equal to this. So it means you will get only data from 2014.
gotcha.
So I click on OK. You can see the data. We can sort this in ascending order. You can see the data is from 2014 only. So sorting is also there. You can see the sorting.
Nice.
Fine. We can clear sort. So it will automatically go to the back. We have a descending order and ascending order. We have an option. So this filter is automatically applied to that. That is called date filter. So we can have a year filter directly here. Year, which year? Next year, this year, last year. So depending upon which year you are working on, you can choose that. So this is all time based. Fine.
Yep.
So I request you to please practice on that for 5 to 10 minutes so that you can check all the aspect of that dates and numbers. Try this. I'm just clearing this.
Okay.
You practice on that. I'm just clearing filter. You just try this randomly, whatever you want to try. You can try this on date. And we have a number filter. In number filter, we have what? We have an option called equals to, this less than, which is very easy to work on. Please check this once. I'm giving you the control. Allow me. And then what happened? Your system is again not working. You tried that remote desktop?
I haven't gotten to because I was just like, well, I can't, I can't tinker with it. I was trying to pay attention. It just, I don't know. It worked this morning one time, and I wasn't able to get it back up.
Okay.
I'm gonna try on the lunch break
Sure,
to
sure,
get
sure,
us up.
sure, sure, sure.
But let's see here. So we're doing filters. I can do anything I want, right?
Yes, yes. But please try this at least in front of me so that I can guide you. This is a better because filtration is very interesting part of that. No, so we do not require a code for filter, which we normally write in MySQL.
Right. So I could do like. Oh wait, so this we could do this, right? So this select all, and then this, and that will filter on just
There
dairy
is
products.
also there is an also option called in text filter,
Mm-hmm.
begins with, ends with, contains.
Gotcha. So I could even go in here and say uh,
So
begins
that
with
you can try.
D, right? Nice. So there's all kinds of ways you can filter.
About the date also you practiced?
Yeah, I did the date. I did it so it was just I think it was like September 3rd, 2013 to uh December 3rd, 2014. So anything,
Great.
there was all the 2012s disappeared and all the 2015 dates disappeared. So I could tell it worked, and it's only 2013 and 2014 in this list. And then here I
Great.
did the countries. I just selected the countries in North and Central and South America. So
Great.
all the European countries that were listed here
Mm,
were disappeared. Uh, this is a very easy way to just like transform the data. Like you can literally do whatever you want.